time is now 6:39 a.m. here on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Alex, who are you rooting for when it comes to the Super Bowl?
You know, this year I really just don't care. So for the championship games, I wanted the Bengals and the 49ers to win, and neither of them won. So I'm like, if I had to choose, I think probably the Eagles. But I've been into Super Bowls a lot more before.
Yeah.
This year I'm just kind of like,
I understand.
Yeah, but you know, you could also use that new big TV to watch 13 WMAZ morning.
That's right.
As well. You get us in high definition. All right, here we go. The live look over downtown. We do have temperatures on the cooler side of things. No secret about it. 35 in Macon, 39 in Warner Robins, 37 over in Gordon, 38 in Eatonton, 39 in Soperton, and 34 down in McRae. That is the cool spot this morning. But across the southeast, you are running into temperatures that, generally speaking, we are the exception here in central Georgia, are warmer than they should be for February. You got 49 in Monroe, 48 in Columbus, Mississippi, 47 over in Nashville. So here we are 12 degrees cooler than Nashville, Tennessee this morning, and 60 over in Dallas. And that air mass is sliding towards central Georgia, and we are going to be looking at overnight lows closer to these numbers out to the west before we know it. So let's talk about the details of it here. Into the morning hours, you're going to notice some high clouds out there. And in fact, I was looking in the 13 WMAZ Weather Network Facebook group just a minute ago. We had a fall streak happen in central Georgia yesterday. That was really cool. It looks like a hole punch in a cloud. Well, the conditions are going to be right for it again today. So if you see that, take a picture and send it to us because we always love to see it. And then into the afternoon hours we go. I do think several of us will actually break the 70-degree mark here, even though that's showing upper 60s. But then once we get to tomorrow morning, here's what I'm talking about. Overnight lows, only 50s and upper 40s across central Georgia. So some 15 to 20 degrees warmer across the area than we are this morning. And then that will translate into the afternoon of mid to upper 70s potentially. Would not surprise me if tomorrow afternoon we see an 80-degree temperature down to the south. Then comes Thursday. Notice the southerly wind is continuing. We're going to be looking at on and off showers through the day on Thursday. I think we'll probably see a little more in the way of coverage area of these showers than what the model's showing here. It'll be a little closer to looking like this that the GFS and the Euro are showing. But here we are Thursday at 5 p.m. We play this into Friday morning. Rain not moving all that much. Here we go into Friday afternoon. The Euro is trying to pull it away. You see the back edge right about there under the GFS for Friday evening. So the Euro gets out of here by Saturday morning. The GFS is saying not so fast. GFS keeping it around through Saturday afternoon and evening. So it is possible that we would be looking at a rainy Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. If you ask the GFS, the Euro is saying, yeah, maybe just Friday. So we'll watch the details on that. As things stand now, Thursday, a level 1 severe weather risk down to the south. This is as low as it gets, and it's centered down to the south of us. It just clips a few of our counties, so I am not all that concerned about. The thing to watch with this weather maker is going to be the rainfall. The Euro is saying 1 to 2 inches of rain down to the south, elsewhere about a ½ inch to an inch. The GFS is laughing at the Euro and saying, let's go 2, 3, maybe even 4 inches in a few spots. So we'll watch the details on that here in the days ahead. Today, 72. That's going to be the high. 75 tomorrow. And then once we get into the end of the week, we're going to be talking about a pretty good rain chance across central Georgia, maybe even mixing in a few storms on Friday before we go cooler, much cooler for the weekend.